to use MetaMask as a beginner. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can get your own MetaMask wallet, how MetaMask works, and how you can connect your MetaMask to an NFT marketplace, and how you basically get your MetaMask and use it. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to metamask.io and you will land on this app right here. What is MetaMask? MetaMask is a crypto wallet and a gateway to blockchain apps. What happens is you simply have a MetaMask. That means you have your own crypto wallet. There are many crypto wallet options out there, but MetaMask is the easiest one to get, and it is also available as a Google extension. So you can get a MetaMask right now if you are looking to buy NFTs or you want to get a crypto wallet. So once you go to metamask.io, you will find the option of download now. Simply click on download now and you will be able to download your MetaMask. The signing up process for MetaMask is really easy. You simply sign up with your Google account, or you can simply sign up with your email address and then set up a password. Once you do that, this is what you will get. This is the dashboard for MetaMask that you will be getting. So let me show you what are the different features we get in MetaMask, what are the different tools, and how to use MetaMask. So once you have your MetaMask, first of all, you will be able to get access to your MetaMask right here because it is added as a Google extension. So you can pin your extension right here and then you will be able to access it anytime you want to. So this is my MetaMask right here. This is the blockchain right now. This is on Ethereum. This is the custom blockchain that we get on Ethereum. If you want to switch in between your different mainnets, between your different currencies, what you will do is you will click right here and I can actually switch between different networks. I can go with Ethereum, or I can go with Matic, or many others as well. So then we can also add a network that I will just show you in a minute. Then we have the buy option. The buy option allows us to buy any of the Ethereum with wire, or we can go with transact, right? So these are the two options to deposit Ethereum into our MetaMask. Now you might be wondering, you don't have Ethereum, you have dollars, you have USD. So that is super simple. You convert your dollars. Of course, when we do transaction, your dollars will be converted to your Ethereum. For example, you are converting $200, they will be converted into maybe 0.05 Ethereum or 0.06 Ethereum. It depends on the Ethereum price at the time you are going to be adding and depositing your money. Then we have the send option. Send option simply means sending Ethereum to any other wallet like we usually do. For example, your friend asks you to send you Ethereum, or maybe you want to send it to somebody for business or for your crypto or anything. So you will add their ID right here. Every wallet comes with a unique ID that is totally unique, and you will simply add it right there, and then you can simply send them. Then we have the swap option that allows you to convert your currency within your MetaMask. For example, you want to convert your Ethereum to another currency, you want to change the tokens. That's what we can do with swap right here. So it's super simple. You will deposit with your credit card. Then we have this option right here. This is view account on Etherscan. So if you want to go ahead and check out the Ethereum prices right now, you can just simply go ahead and view your account on Etherscan as well. Then we have account details and connected sites. Connected sites mean you have connected your MetaMask to maybe a NFT marketplace such as OpenSea, or maybe you have connected to multiple NFT marketplaces, or maybe to crypto games. So you will find all of the connected sites right here. So now let me show you how you add a network to your MetaMask. So simply go to networks, click on add network. So this is where we can add different networks. If I want to check out the networks that are available right now, so we have Ethereum, we have a Matic right now, and these are all locked networks right here. So let's say that I want to go ahead and add a new network. So all of the network details are given right here. So we were adding a new network. Click on add network. Now we have to add a network name. Let's say I want to add Matic. I want Polygon within my MetaMask, because most of the time now people want Polygon because Polygon is a gas free experience. Okay, it's just a network. So let's say I want to add a new network, which is Matic. I want my MetaMask to have a Matic connection. So what I will do is I will click right here. I will add the name, which is the Matic. Now we have to add a RPC URL. We can actually get this URL from just typing in Matic URL, and then we will get it. Chain ID for Matic is 137, and then we have a currency symbol. Simply add Matic. This is optional, you can just leave it. So I already have added it. So you simply click on create network, and your new network is added to your MetaMask. You can see right here, now I have Matic. How to switch between Matic and Ethereum? You will always be able to do that, because you simply click on network and then you simply switch between different networks, and then your main network is changed. So let me actually show you how it is changed. So you can see right here, right now I have Ethereum. Now if I click right here, then my network will be changed. After that, let me also show you some of the basic settings we have on MetaMask. We have general. In here, we can select our conversion currency right here. Right now, I have USD. Then we have primary currency. We have language. Then we also have, advanced settings. So within advanced settings, we can actually sync our, MetaMask with our a mobile phone. So this is really important. If you have a mobile application of MetaMask, you can use it on your mobile phone, and you can sync it with your account right here. Then we have these advanced settings such as conversion on test networks. We have show test networks. We have auto lock timer, and these are all advanced settings available on MetaMask now. Then we have experimental, about, and contacts. In contacts, you can add a contact right here, because when we will be sending Ethereum, we will be sending currency to people, or we are buying something, so you can simply add contact like we do in our wallets, right? So you will add a contact. Simply click on add contact. You will add the username right here, and then Ethereum public address. This is what you need to add a contact. So you simply add the username. Now username can be any username that they have, and then you will add the unique Ethereum public address. Simply click on save, and your new contact on MetaMask will be saved, and then you will be able to send money and receive money from this contact right here. We can also check the assets from here. Right now I have Ethereum, and then we have activity. In here I will be able to check out all my transactions that are being done. So this is my profile right here. This is my account. I can create another account on MetaMask. I can import an account as well if I already have an account. Then we can also connect hardware wallet with our MetaMask, and we will be able to connect our two wallets. And then again, you can actually create more than one account on MetaMask. It's not just you can only create one. So you can simply go ahead and create a new account, and then you can switch between the account as well. You will find your deposits right here. You can now simply go ahead and deposit your money right now with your MetaMask, and then you will be good to go, and you will have your own crypto wallet that will help you to buy your NFTs and play crypto games and whatever you want to do with your MetaMask. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use MetaMask. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.